Dear students, today my class is Introduction to C++ and download and install Turbo C++, structure of C++. Before going to this class, please subscribe King Classroom. Watch all videos and learn the subject, like the videos, share the videos to your friends. King Classroom is mainly for maths and computer courses, online courses. Now coming to the topic, Introduction to C++. C++ is a programming language. C++ is general purpose programming language that was developed and enhanced of the C to include object-oriented programming. It was developed by Bjarne Stroustrup at Bell Laboratories in 1983 as the extension of C programming language. C language is also developed in Bell Laboratories in 1972 and C++ also developed in Bell Laboratories 1983, extension of C with classes. That means classes concepts came from Ada programming language, and C with classes also we called it as C++, C with classes initially, then later the name will be C++. C++ is a object-oriented multi-paradigm language that supports procedural, functional and general programming styles. One of the key features of C++ is its ability to support low-level, system-level programming, making it suitable for developing operating system, device drivers and other system softwares. C++ is used programming language is used in mobile operating systems and all operating systems, Windows, Linux, Macintosh OS and Android OS. Also every operating system C++ programming languages is there, and some applications general custom applications like that C++ also is there. Windows 10 completely I mean 60% of programming in C++. Linux also 60% and MS Office also written in C++ initially. Okay, these are the main uses of the C++. Fourth point is object oriented programming. C++ supports object oriented programming, allowing developers to create classes and objects to define methods and properties for these objects. Now, structure of C++. Class name, bracket open, variable declaration, statements 1, statements n, and class close. Now, global declaration, variable declaration, header files declaration. Header files example is hash include iostream.h, hash include quanivo.h, int main, variable declaration. In the variable declaration also create object class objects 1 comma object 2 comma object 3 etc. It's object, each object has same features applies to each object. And now statement 1 to statement n, and function name, user defined function name and statement n. Return value, function, predefined function and user defined functions is there in C++. Predefined functions comes with C++ program, C++ software. User defined functions derived by users. Users means us. We are the creators of user defined functions. So user defined function name, parameters, passing parameters, variable declaration 1 2 3 4 etc. How many variables you want declared here, statements 1 to statements n, and return value. Here also some return value is there because it is int. If you return the int here, main functions returns integer, then put it as integer. If it is written character, character. Every C++ program starts with the main function. Okay, this is the structure of C++ program. Again I will show this structure of C++. Here class declaration, global variable declaration, header files declaration, main function declaration, main function, variables and class objects and statements, function name declaration, return value. User defined function declaration, variable declaration, statement declaration. This is the structure of C++ programming language. And now download Turbo C++. First we need to develop and writing as programs in C++. We need a software. Basic software available is for C++ is Turbo C++. Now I am downloading here. It is Google Turbo C++ download. This is the Turbo C++ download here. It will take time. Yeah, now browser is downloading. Yeah, download maximum. Yeah, show the files folders and open the file, and here the file, and extract the Turbo C++. After that, is the folder. This is the folder, and install the Turbo C++. Next, already I installed that. That's why modify is coming. Now as fin. Now the software available in desktop. Open the desktop and start Turbo C++. Okay, this is the format to open and download Turbo C++. Okay, escape, exit from the C++ window, and okay, thank you for your class. Thank you for watching the class.